Hello guys, this is Auto Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can recover a conversation on Messenger. It's really easy, so let's not waste any more time. So basically, if you deleted a conversation, like actually deleting the messages, you won't be actually able to recover those messages, and they are forever gone. However, if you chose to archive a certain conversation, you should easily be able to find it by just going over on messenger.com on your web browser, and as you can see right here, next to your profile icon, you should have this button with 3 dots. Here we are going to select the fourth option, which is hidden conversations or archived conversation in your cases. Once you've done that, it should open up a list with the conversations that you archived, and that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one, guys.